alcohol process, which your body doesn't do. But here's another thing. Pyruvic acid could go this direction. Remember, pyruvic acid typically goes through what next? What's the name of the next stage?
Krebs
Good
cycle.
for you. Now you guys are good. Pyruvic acid, instead of going through the Krebs cycle, you see, pyruvic acid wouldn't be able to go through the Krebs cycle if there's not enough oxygen at the end. So I'm going to do this. Let's just do this one more time. Here you are running. You're maybe at your 13th mile. You have 13 more to go. 13.2. These assholes. And so the idea here is that now you don't have a lot of oxygen here because it's being used up by all the muscles, right? Right? Because the idea is that, well, the problem is that if you're in an oxygen debt situation, you're breathing too hard, you're using up all of the oxygen. Now there's not enough oxygen here to get rid of these. These start to build up on both sides. What happens? This stops turning. When it stops turning, you're not going to die right there on the sidewalk in the middle of this race. What happens is when this turns a little slower, now the muscles don't work very good. When they don't work very good, what do? They cramp. And now they freeze up. And then now you can't even run because now you've got a cramp. Typically the muscles in the legs. So then when you're standing there and you're going, now that cramp is going away. Now you're moving those muscles, moving those fibers. Now the oxygen is taking away these hydrogen protons. Now this is spinning fast again. Now you feel better. Now you can keep running. See how that works. Well, what happens, let's talk about what happens